Today we'll be going over vocabulary and how it can help us to solve expressions. First, I'm going to start with addition. In addition, we have the numbers being added together. Those are called the addends. The numbers being added together in this equation are 6 and 4. When we add 6 and 4, we get 10. 10 is the sum of 6 and 4. That means it is the answer to an addition problem. So you want to make sure you understand that the addends are the numbers being added together and that the sum is the answer to an addition problem. Next, we'll be looking at subtraction. With subtraction, it is most important to understand the name of the answer to a subtraction problem, but we will go over all of the proper vocabulary. Our first vocabulary is going to be the minuend. This is the number that's being subtracted from. In this case, it's going to be the 6. 6 is what we're starting with, and that's what we're going to subtract from. Our second vocabulary term is going to be the subtrahend. This is the number being subtracted, or the number that we're taking away. In this case, this is the 4. The important vocabulary that you want to know is going to be the answer to a subtraction problem. That is called the difference. In this one, we have 2 is our difference. That is the answer to our subtraction problem. Next, we're going to talk about multiplication vocabulary. Multiplication vocabulary, here our equation says 6 times 4 equals 24. Now, the numbers 6 and the number 4 are both factors of 24. They are the numbers being multiplied. Any two numbers that are multiplied to make another number are called factors of that number. Our answer here is 24. The answer to a multiplication problem is called the product. In this case, the product of 6 and 4 is 24. Finally, we're talking about division. In our equation, 24 divided by 4 equals 6. Our first number is 24. This number is called our dividend. It is the number that is being divided. Our second number, which is the 4, comes after the division symbol, so that is called our divisor. It's the number that divides into our dividend. We are going to be dividing 4 into 24, taking out groups of 4 over and over again until we are finished. The answer, in this case 6, for our division problem, is called the quotient, the answer to a division problem. These are the terms that will help you while solving for expressions.